So Weldment, in Weldment we can find many modification panel. We can find many. So here we can find the trim and extend. We can find okay, we can weld, we can find ghost, so we don't need to do that. We can replace with a cassette. So here we can find cassette in cab. If we have a pipe, we want to end the end. We have hole, extruded cut, okay, chamfer too. So here we will try to do trim and extend for this member. So I select trim and extend. So body to be trimmed, we have this, and then we have a trimmed boundary. So I have bodies and I have face. So face, so as we can see, I have body, face and body. Face, he selected body. So for example, face, I have to click here. So click here and then face. I have this face, I have this face, I have many faces, and every time I click in face, we will illustrate it here. So I have to define one faces, and then I have this small window, so I can keep all this card. We'll keep that, or for example at the same time here. So I can do like that, discard. So I have here many ways to, for example, to do trim and extreme. So I have that, and here I have that, for example. So the end is not the same way. If I change, so I have like this. If I change, I have like this. I try to do like that. It's more comfortable for me. So I have this position. Okay, I can do okay. There isn't problem. The same things here. I can do trim and extend. So body, we are okay, and face, for example, I can click here and then define this face, discard, and okay. So it's done. So I have this, and then I can weld it or put a bolt as and the plate, as we can see. So I can do mirror in the second side. So mirror, I can go to, for example, I can go feature and then mirror. Where is mirror? Mirror here. So mirror face plane. So from here, or I can choose here. So I have many plane here, front, top, right, right, okay, right, it's perfect. And then feature to mirror, I can choose a feature to mirror, it's face just. So I can choose body, it's here. So I have my elements here, and I click yes, I'm okay. So it's perfect, it's as we want. So I can rotate like that, and it's good, perfect. The same way I can do mirror in the opposite direction. So mirror, I can choose which plane, for example top here, and I can delete this. Body to mirror, I can choose this and this, and we are good. So I have this shape. This video is finished, and the next video is for drawing a plate and mirror and all this assembly. To the next video.